I'd like to quickly walk you through how to find sources for your health career research that you're doing, probably for Hervey or Ma's class. Okay, we're going to start by checking for a national organization, and you're going to do that with just a basic Google search. And I know it's weird that I have you start with a basic Google search. We don't normally do that in research, but for this particular one, finding a national organization is going to be your best bet. But just remember that we are looking for URLs .org.edu or .gov. That's going to be our first sign that it's a reliable source that we can use for research. So I'm just going to go ahead and select, I don't say nurse practitioner, and then I'm just going to put National Association after whichever career I'm looking for. Okay, so look right here. First thing, it's a .org. That's a great sign. It's the American Association of Nurse Practitioners. This is the national organization. This is what I'm looking for. Please make sure the nation you find is America, so your research is up to date. So here I can find all kinds of things about being a nurse practitioner in the state of America, how I become one, all of this. Every single medical organization is going to have a national association, and that's what you want to start with, to start looking through their national website, their association website, to get good information, okay? So that's step one. Step two would be to go to reputable organizations like NIH.gov, which is the National Institutes of Health. Let's see, I'll just go ahead and search nurse practitioner in NIH.gov. And you can see it pulls up some articles for me, activities and attributes of nurse practitioner leaders, impact, nurse practitioners, the role of a nurse practitioner within a hospital. That's probably a good article for me to read. Okay, so NIH.gov, you can search any career there. That would be an example of a reputable agency. Also CDC.gov, the Centers for Disease Control. Let's see, let's just go ahead and put maybe pediatrician in CDC.gov. And again, this will pull up some articles for you. CDC.gov. You can go ahead and look through here for any kind of information that would help you. Okay, so you could check those reputable organizations. This next one I'm going to show you is going to be your absolute most valuable thing. It will give you tons of information. BLS.gov means it's a government agency, and it's the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is great. You can type in your occupation here. Let's do athletic trainer, BLS.gov. And any career that you type in here, it's going to give you, this is going to be great. Look at this. It gives you a summary of the median pay, the entry-level education, work experience, on-the-job training, number of jobs, job outlook. See, that's exactly what you need to write this paper. And again, there's tabs up here that kind of give you more information if you want to do that. Articles here, how to become, pay, state and area data, so you can do it specific to Utah, okay? BLS.gov, you're for sure going to want to use this for your paper, okay? And then finally, and again, this isn't where we normally go for research, but I'm going to send you to Wikipedia. Wikipedia is not a page that you can cite as a research site, but you can cite if you go within Wikipedia. So let's try maybe orthodontics. Yeah, orthodontics. So if I'm in Wikipedia, and again, this is a lot of good information, but I can't cite Wikipedia as my source. But anytime you're in Wikipedia, if you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to give you the references of where Wikipedia got its information from. So you can kind of look through these like dictionary.com. Well, that's a basic definition of orthodontics. I mean, I can use that. Let's see, what is an orthodontist? That's from Orthodontics Australia. I could probably get some information there, but it's not going to be very specific. So you can see this one's from Australia. This one's from Canada. So as I'm looking at Wikipedia, I need to make sure that the information that I'm getting is actually the information that I want. How about this one? Accredited orthodontics programs. That could be America. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, look, you can see that Wikipedia brought me to the national organization, or the National Association, the American Association of Orthodontics, which is where we could have started. But anyways, anytime you're in Wikipedia, it doesn't mean that the information is bad. It just means that you need to verify those sources, and then you need to go directly to that source. And if it's good, if it's credible, you can quote that source, but you cannot quote Wikipedia. Make sense? Okay, I hope that was helpful. That's really all I have for you. You should be able to find everything that you need if you follow those steps. If you can't, please come see me in the library. I'm here to help you. I would love to help you get your research for this or for any other project. Bye.